Okay, go. Oh, you wimp. Go into the snow. You know you wanna. Don't make me throw you in there. Come on. Go get the squirrels. This isn't very exciting. Okay, here, come here, hey, come here. Come here. Alright. What the rest of your leaves first of all. That's step one. Here's step two. Oh, baby. Good boy. Alright, now you can go chase those squirrels. Good luck with that. Yes, wet snow is not the funnest to move in, but our dog will make do.